when it's 6 p.m. and your to-do list is somehow longer than how it was at 9 a.m. in the morning. Well, that used to be me. Emails piling up, files everywhere, and reminders I kept snoozing. Until I found this one AI tool that made my life so much easier, helped me organize better. Claude Cowork. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Cowork that can make your life simpler and help you organize better. So before we begin, let's first understand what is Claude Cowork. So many people think Claude Cowork is like an AI chatbot where you can input some questions and it gives you certain answers back. Well, Claude Cowork is much more than that. So Claude Cowork is like your smart assistant that has access to all your files, all your emails. It can do all your tasks, schedule meetings, etc. Basically, it can do everything that a human assistant can do while you sit back and enjoy. And I'm going to show you 4 real life use cases that are going to prove my point today. Now, to use Claude Cowork, first you need to buy the Pro membership of Claude. So you will see over here that the Pro membership costs you $17 per month, which is approximately 2000 rupees per month. But trust me, it will be completely worth it. Now, once you bought the Pro membership of Claude, you will see over here that another tab will open across the chat. This will be Claude Cowork, and this is what we are going to learn today. Okay, so let us begin with the most easiest use case. So you see my folder over here and it's extremely unorganized. There are certain images, there are invoices, and there are so many PDFs, right? And I actually never got time to organize this. Now I'm going to ask Claude Cowork to organize this folder on my behalf. So let us begin. So I'm going to give this command to Claude Cowork that simply says, go to my folder, Meenal's work in downloads folder and organize all the files in a very logical category, documents, invoices, images, videos, and miscellaneous, and rename files with today's date as prefix. So let's begin. I'm going to press enter and let's see what happens. Okay, so now before beginning, it has actually asked me certain questions. So how should I structure the organized folder? Subfolders only, no rename, rename only, keep flat. So I'll say I want subfolders as well as I want to rename them. So I'm going to select this. So which date format do you want to use? Say I want to use actually this date format. Then it's asking me how should I identify invoices versus regular documents. So say file name keywords only. What about existing subfolders or files that do not fit in the category? Leave subfolders and dump rest in miscellaneous. So I've answered all the questions. Now let's see what happens. Okay, now it is asking me for the access of that particular folder and I have given the access to it. Now let's see what happens, right? Okay, so it looks like Claude Cowork has completed its job. It has created certain folders with the names documents, images, banking, duplicates, miscellaneous invoices. And it is also telling us how many files are there in the each folder. So now let's get back to the folder and see what Claude Cowork has done. Amazing. It has actually organized all my 115 files into separate logical folders. Let's go and check out each of them. So I go to my banking folder and I see all my bank statements over here. And remember how I told it to actually add the date in front of it in certain manner. So you can see over here that it has actually added a date 050526. That is, this particular file was created on 5th May 2026, right? Let's check out another folder. So great. All my images are also in the same in one single folder, and again it has renamed it using the date that I asked it to use. So you can also use Claude Cowork to actually organize all your folders in a much better way and stop wasting your time doing it. And you know what? You can even be more specific. You can tell Claude Cowork to delete all the duplicate files. You can ask it to create separate folders for your GST invoices and non-GST invoices. So you can be as peculiar as you want. So, you know how you wake up every morning and your email is literally flooding. You do not know what is the priority, what's your today's to do list, when is your which meeting, and what you should actually do right now. It's all so confusing and so overwhelming. And Claude Cowork actually made my life so much easier. I'll show you how. So, when you go to Claude Cowork, what you can do is go over here and you can go to settings. Okay. Now, when you are at settings, you have to select connectors and you can actually connect your Gmail account over here. Say 1 second, I'll just connect my Gmail account over here. So it is going to ask me for certain permissions like can I view your emails and can I manage your drafts and and send emails, and I'm giving all those permissions to it. Now look what will happen. I've opened my Claude over here. Great. Now you can see over here that my Gmail account is already now connected, right? Now what I can do is I have to just go back here. Now I'm going to ask Claude Cowork that, see, every day at 8 a.m., go through my 100 emails from last 24 hours, give me a summary of my top priority emails that need my attention, meetings that I have today, any urgent follow-ups that I have missed, and anything I can safely ignore. Send this to my Gmail inbox as clean and easy to read brief. So let's do it. Okay, I'm just sending this instruction to Claude Cowork. Now let's see what happens. So now Claude Cowork is asking me certain questions. It's asking me how should the brief to be delivered every morning. So how it's basically asking me how do I want my brief to be delivered. I'm like saying send it directly to my inbox. Then it's saying what scope of emails should I scan. I'm just telling him just scan my primary inbox only. Then should I include today's meetings from Google Calendar? Yes, pull from the today's meeting. Any priority signals I should wait today heavily. Direct emails to me, not CC'd. So you can just answer all these questions however you want the emails to come to you. Now let's see what happens. Okay, so looks like Claude Cowork has completed its task. Now I'm going to ask Claude Cowork to send me a test email. Send me a test email now, please. Okay, so let's see what happens. And done. I think it has already sent me a test email. So this test email is right now sitting in my drafts folder. So let's go to my email and just check it out. Yeah. So this is my inbox. Okay, let's go to the drafts folder. Amazing. So Claude Cowork has made this amazing email format for me, wherein I can see what are my top priority tasks today, what are my today's meeting at what time, what are my urgent follow-ups that I need to do today, and what are the things that I can ignore. This has made me so much more productive. So earlier I used to spend like an hour to decide what I need to do today and make my to-do list. Now all that is being done by Claude Cowork, and you can use Claude Cowork too. Okay, so Claude Cowork does not only do such menial tasks like organizing your downloads folders, scheduling your meetings. No, it can do much more than that. Say you are a student and you need to analyze certain research papers, or say you are an equity research analyst and you want to analyze certain reports, then Claude Cowork can actually do that for you in a much more meaningful manner. So let's look at it. Say I'm giving this command to Claude Cowork, wherein I have given it 2 annual reports right now. You can also redirect Claude Cowork to another folder where all these reports are safe. But right now, for quicker output, I have given it both the annual reports, and I'm actually giving this prompt like read all the attached files, create a comparison table showing the key metrics from each like ROE, debt, etc. that can impact my share investment decision. Flag anything that actually looks unusual or worth discussing, then give me back your overall assessment. Now let's see what Claude Cowork actually does. Press send, and now let's wait. Okay, now Claude Cowork is asking me certain clarifying question. What's your investment horizon and goal here? Say I'm a midterm investor. It's saying, should I include external market data, current market price, P? So it's basically asking me, should I use any, current on real time basis data? I'm just saying no right now. I just wanted to analyze the periods. Now, what matrix matter the most? So, of course, profitability matters for me, leverage matters for me, cash flow and growth, everything actually matters for me. Then next, how should I deliver this? Excel comparison, chat summary, Word doc report, just a chat response. So I want a proper Excel for this. Now let's see what actually happens. Great. So you will look over here how Claude Cowork has given me a great comparison table where I have the revenue details and how much the revenue has increased, from the previous year. EBITDA details, PAT details, ROE, ROCE, gross debt, auto DE, volumes, etc. And all these metrics are actually essential for me to know before I make an investment decision. And also it has given me an Excel comparison workbook over here. Let's see that workbook. See, exactly the way we asked it for. So it actually analyzed a 2000 pager annual reports and gave me this summary data that can actually help me make an investment decision more effectively. So that is not all, you can use Claude Cowork in many more intelligent manners. Say you are a business owner and you have, say, some thousands of invoices. Now you can actually give the folder access to Claude Cowork and ask the Claude Cowork to find any unusual invoices, say, flag any invoices that are above 50,000 rupees. And Claude Cowork will do that for you. So you can actually find much and much more, smarter tasks for Claude Cowork and utilize it in your everyday life. Now that was on the research part. You can also use Claude Cowork to schedule your meetings and certain emails. Now look over here, I've given a prompt to Claude Cowork that says find Meenal's email from my Gmail inbox, send them a Google Calendar invite for tomorrow at 5 p.m. Meeting title, one-on-one catch up, duration should be 1 hour. Now let's see what Claude Cowork actually does. Now, for this particular prompt to work, you need to connect your Gmail to the Claude Cowork. I have already showed you the same how to do it in my first and second use cases. So always go to the settings and add the Gmail as your connector. Now let's see what happens. Now Claude Cowork has asked me certain questions. What time zone should 5 p.m. tomorrow refer to? So I'm telling it should be IST. Uh, should the invite include a Google Meet link? Yes, it should include a Google Meet link. Confirm if multiple Meenals appear in inbox, how should I pick? Confirm with me first. So if there are multiple Meenals, then I've asked Claude Cowork to first ask me which Meenal do I need to send the email to. Any agenda? No, I'm not giving any description right now. Now let's see what happens. So great, Claude Cowork was able to find my email and okay, now it is actually sending the email. So I'll allow for this task. Now let's see what happens. Great, amazing. It has already created a Gmeet link. So now let us see, was it able to send it via my email box or not? Okay, great. So looks like Claude Cowork has already sent the email. Now let's go to my email and check the calendar whether the invite was actually scheduled or not. So this is my Gmail account. So we will go to my Google Calendar, go to May 6 and check at 5 p.m. Great, a meeting has been scheduled, one-on-one catch up with Meenal. Amazing. So see how efficiently you can actually use Claude Cowork to make your life so much easier. And that's not all, there are so many other connectors that are over here that can make your life super, super easier. All you need to go is go to settings, and just click on connectors. Over here, you can browse all the connectors that you want to connect your Claude Cowork with. Now see, you can use Google Drive connector where you can use this connector to actually upload your all the files, read all the files using just Claude Cowork. You can also connect it to your Google Calendar. You can connect it to Canva as well, where you can actually create some Canva designs using Claude Cowork. That's not all. You can connect it to your Microsoft 365. If you are a company, you use Slack and you want to, schedule certain messages, you can also add a Slack connector over here. Then other than that, there is a booking.com connector where you can actually find hotels, homes, etc. for yourself. And you can actually give a task to Claude Cowork and it will find the best deals for you. So guys, start using Claude Cowork today so that you are not wasting your time in such unproductive activities. Now, if you want all these prompts, I have already provided a document link in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video. Do leave your comments in the comment section and I'll try to answer all of them. Thank you so much for joining me today and I'll see you in my next